What's up guys, TechX here, and today we'll be looking at what will happen to the PS3 if you turn it off without tapping power off. You'll probably rebuild the database. So yeah, just to let you know, my PC was on. So yeah, and I'll have to. We're gonna boot it up. So you might hear the PC more. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. This thing's silenter than the PS4. And also, thank you for 1.7 million views. Yep, it's starting up. Start up way faster. Hard drive is going nuts. It's going nuts. Camera, come on. Yeah, and then I'll power it off. How will I let you know? Well, I don't know. I don't know how to do. Alright, let's unplug it. You have to move the PS. You have to move the PS2. There. See, it shuts down. Now, if you put the AC power cord back in and power it on, it should say I didn't turn it off properly, and I'll have to tap OK, so it restarts to rebuild the database. Yep. Found out the TV remote can tap stuff in PlayStations. So instead of using the controller, I can just tap this and hold on there. See, it works. Probably yeah, it's rebuilding. Alright, let's add just some volume. I just like the sound of it. The dead pixels on my TV. Shut it down. Yep, so that was it. Well, I really appreciate the 1.7 thousand views on my video uploaded last day. Bye.